Greetings, I'm Jim Krieg. I'm the baking and pastry instructor here at the Christian Culinary Academy. Baking's been part of my life. I grew up in a bakery, and I've taught at other culinary schools for a long time. This year, our emphasis in the baking class, baking one-day baking class, is yeasted breads. So we're going to take from a rich doughs to lean doughs. We're going to make every item, putting all these products side by side and giving a comparison and showing the baker's percent, the technology behind all them, why do we need different fermentation times, different mixing techniques. I think it's just really useful. We have had more people than we can handle for the hands-on component the last several years. So we have offered sort of an audit format where people can hear the lectures and see everything, but not necessarily get their hands into the product. And that has helped people too, and helped us to educate more folks. For the person who's just getting started, it has something to offer, and for the professional out there just trying to polish up skills, get new ideas, maybe some roadblocks that they've had that they didn't understand, time to ask questions. And if you're looking for encouragement in your craft, encouragement in your life spiritually, please come and join us in the spring, and you'll see people from all over the country coming together, and it's a really good time. So I'll see you there.